Starting around 21 walk 2024, Nexo is exchanging at $1.34 in term of its first rate with a value change of 138% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Nexo sort of has an extremely all-out market cap of $750,443,324 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6,422 in a genuinely large manner. This basically makes Nexo positioning at 117 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo in a real sense be really worth in 2024? Is Nexo a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024 in an especially significant manner? Will Nexo cost generally outperform its unequaled genuinely high in an all things considered huge way? These in a real sense are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which basically is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost certainly is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $1.87, the normal genuinely least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $1.81. So these really are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Nexo can for the most part arrive at a really greatest value level of $2.01, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo value figure walk 2024. The Nexo cost for walk 2024 may truly arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $1.22, while the by and large most extreme determined cost in a real sense is around $1.39 in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of typical cost for Nexo is somewhat anticipated to reach $1.35 in walk 2024, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture April 2024. The Nexo cost for April 2024 may arrive at a really least worth of $1.34, while the truly most extreme gauge cost explicitly is around $1.46 in an unpretentious manner. The truly normal cost for Nexo in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to generally reach $1.39 in April 2024, which in every way that really matters, shows that this truly makes Nexo truly positioning at 117 in the digital currency market, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to sort of reach at a very least worth of $1.40 in May 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could, by and large, arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $1.53 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $1.45 all through 2024, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the most extreme cost for Nexo could fundamentally stretch around $1.59 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2024 in every practical sense is $1.43 with an essentially normal cost of $1.48 in an extremely huge manner. Nexo value figure July 2024. The very normal cost of Nexo could generally go to $1.54 toward the finish of July 2024, which basically is very huge. Nexo could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $1.65 with the sort of least expected cost of $1.47, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Nexo cost especially is estimate to basically arrive at a practically the least cost of $1.55, so the Nexo cost could generally arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $1.53 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $1.45 all through 2024, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme cost of $1.71 with the essentially normal expected cost around $1.60 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo value expectation September 2024. The cost of Nexo truly is certainly anticipated to sort of reach at a by and large least worth of $1.60 in September 2024, exhibiting that the in every practical sense, normal cost for Nexo sort of is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach $1.39 in April 2024, which generally shows that this for the most part makes Nexo truly positioning at 117 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.79 with a sort of typical exchanging worth of $1.66 all through 2024, which most certainly shows that, moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2024 truly is $1.43 with a typical cost of $1.48 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value forecast October 2024. The cost of Nexo is especially anticipated to fundamentally reach at an especially least worth of $1.67 in October 2024, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0.85 with a very normal exchanging worth of $0.73 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation November 2024. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense is truly anticipated to reach at an in every way that really matters, least worth of $0.73 in November 2024, showing the way that the Nexo cost could essentially arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.71 with a very normal expected cost around $0.60, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.94 with a very normal exchanging worth of $0.80 all through 2024, showing how Nexo value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Nexo could sort of stretch around $1.59, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to sort of be at around an especially least of $1.81 in an unpretentious manner. Nexo cost can basically arrive at a limit of $2.01 with the, for the most part, normal cost of $1.87 in USD, showing that Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost of Nexo sort of is basically anticipated to truly reach at a really least worth of $1.67 in October 2024 in an unpretentious way. Nexo especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Nexo's cost explicitly has shown a great increment of 119% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo generally is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, so Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at the very least worth of $0.40 in May 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 9–12% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, showing the way that the Nexo cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.85 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.73 all through 2024, or so they thought. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for past couple of days. The coin could especially have sought areas of strength at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in sort of transient in a sort of large manner. Nexo value gauge 2024 facts. What will truly be Nexo certainly worth in 2024? Genuinely